Good morning, guys. I wanted to show you guys the type of conditioners and deep conditioners that I use. All right, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to like, comment, because I definitely love reading your comments. So make sure you leave a comment and share my videos. Okay, we're going to start with, now I don't have my conditioners or deep conditioners in a particular order. Okay, so the first one I am going to show you guys, I'm sure probably most of you have already used this one, and I really like this deep, not deep conditioner. This conditioner, I use this conditioner for the first time back in 2017. And man, when I used this conditioner, my hair was like silk. This is during the time that I was looking for a conditioner and a deep conditioner for my hair because it was always drying. And this was the best one that I found at that time. And I've had this conditioner ever since. I love this conditioner. My next one, it is also TRESemme, and it is Flawless Curls Curl Hydration. Now, I also bought this one back in 2017. I bought this one. Really made my hair very soft. Very soft. And when I used it the second time, I was like, okay, yeah, I definitely have to, keep this around. I love this conditioner. I really and truly do love this conditioner. Okay, so now this conditioner, I have so much of Pantene, it is crazy. I have shampoo, conditioner, deep conditioners of Pantene. Now this is Pantene 3-minute miracle repair and protect, and I definitely love using it. Now when I first used this, and I used this maybe about 2 months ago, and again, very good. It has great slip. It makes your hair very soft, moisturizing, and it definitely strengthens your hair. If you are using any type of dye, it's very good for that, because you never know when you may have damaged something, and this can just go right in there and repair it. So you definitely want to keep something like this around. Now we got another Pantene. This one is also a 3-minute miracle sheer volume deep conditioner. This one is a deep conditioner. Okay, and again, very good. It makes your hair very silky. 3 minutes is good. I mean, if you want to leave it on for 5 minutes, that's good, but leaving it on for a whole hour, 30 minutes, it's not really necessary. Any of the conditioners that you see me show today, conditioners or deep conditioners, I'm gonna always keep them around. Always, because I know they do the job for my hair. The last one that I want to show you, and some of you probably already know. All right, is my Dew Grow. This started everything for me. This started the process. It says Dew Grow Deep Down Intense Penetrating Conditioner. It penetrated the strength that was so much needed. Once I get done with shampooing my hair, hey, my strands are still moisturized. They're still looking really good, and my hair is soft and everything. So guys, that is it. I just wanted to show you the conditioners and deep conditioners that I use for my hair. These are very, very good conditioners and deep conditioners. I would never go without them. And yes, I am going to continue to look for more conditioners and deep conditioners. I want a variety of products to use. Guys, so like that is it. I want to thank you so much for tuning to my channel today. And once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have used any of these products, go ahead and leave me a comment down below and just tell me your experience with that product. See you on the next video. Bye.